Good evening, students. This is Mohan. Here is a very short video with respect to the upcoming CA final and CMA final regular batch. I mean to say the coaching classes. A detailed video will be made available, which was recorded by Prakash sir within 1 or 2 days. Meanwhile, I have been getting many messages from our old students inquiring about the upcoming CA final and CA final and CMA final regular batch. My dear students, we are going to commence the new regular batch for CA final and CMA final, which is going to be our 26th regular batch on 6th of December 2021. And it is mainly for those students who are going to appear for November 2022 CA final and December 2022 CMA final examinations. And before I proceed further, I request all our existing students to kindly share this video to your friends who are inquiring or showing interest to join for CA final or CMA final coaching. And before I proceed, students may even call 9885125025 or 9885125026 for demo videos of all our faculty. For demo videos of all our faculty who are going to take classes for this CA final or CMA final regular batch. And as usual, we are going to offer the physical classes. I mean to say the offline classes. In addition to that, we are going to offer the classes in 2 other modes also. In total, it amounts to 3 modes. So in simple, we are going to offer the coaching in 3 different modes. So student can make a selection based on his own preferences. Now to begin with, let's begin with the first mode. I mean to say the physical batches, otherwise called a CPB, complete physical batch. It is available at Guntur only, and we are going to conduct the classes physically, that is in offline mode, and we are going to accommodate 4 students for every 2 benches. Earlier, it used to be 8 students for every 2 benches. Because of these COVID situations, we have reduced the seating capacity and we are limited to 4 students for every 2 benches. Apart from that, we are going to take care of all the COVID precautionary steps. We are going to follow all the SOPs, the standard operating procedures to prevent the spread of COVID. And classes will be at least for a period of, the classes will be conducted at least for 10 to 11 hours a day. In addition to that, we are going to conduct the weekend examinations also. And again, it is for the first time we are going to conduct the weekend examinations even for the CA final and CMA final regular batch. So apart from that traditional offline batch, we are going to conduct an innovative mode of COB batch, the complete online batch. The innovative mode of interactive classes, otherwise called as complete online batch, wherein it is, in short, it is called as COB, wherein the physical batch classes will be live telecasted through a software similar to Zoom. And students can even raise their doubts, and the doubts will be clarified on a real-time basis through chat facility. The major advantage is this. The major advantage of this batch is, see, many students are showing negligence after buying the Google Drive classes in finishing their classes or attending the classes on a timely manner. In general, majority of the faculty whosoever are providing the classes to Google Drive, they're giving a validity period of 8 to 12 months. Since the available time is more, students are not showing interest to finish their coaching classes as early as possible, and they're simply postponing that. Whereas in case of COB, the complete online batch, the students have to attend the classes as per the fixed schedule. The timetable will be given and the classes will be conducted on 10 to 11 hours a day as per the prescribed timetable, and there's no question of showing laziness in attending the classes. Student will definitely show interest since the classes are live interactive. Student can even clear the doubts on a real-time basis itself. The third one, the VOD batch, video on demand batch. VOD batch, otherwise called as video on demand batch, in which the classes will be provided through Google Drive in encrypted mode. Through Google Drive in encrypted mode. The validity of the videos will be up to December 1st, 2022, and we are going to clear the students' doubts by creating a Telegram channel, which is attended by either by the same faculty who are taking the classes or by supporting faculty. The doubts clarification will be done by either by the same faculty or by a dedicated supporting faculty. And videos will be uploaded on a regular basis. And we are going to finish uploading all the videos of all the subjects by 30th June 2022. However, the validity of the videos will be up to December 1st, 2022. Students can attend the classes, can finish the coaching as per the convenience, and it is more suitable. It is more suitable for those students who are into articleship. And students can also attend the classes on subject-wise basis, subject to certain rules and regulations. And the batch is likely to commence by 6th December and likely to close by 30th June 2022. And the unique feature is the coaching is available for all the 8 subjects under one roof. And students, if at all, if you're interested, you may please call 988125025025 or 9881250226 to know the list of the faculty who are going to take the classes at CA final and CMA final level. And you can even ask for a demo videos of all these faculties as well. And I hope you should have observed by this time, we are offering the classes, the coaching classes for 1,600 hours, which is uncomparable with any other coaching center in the industry, especially at CA final or CMA final level. 1,600 hours, mind blowing. It's a very big number. No, it is for the reason that we want to offer a crystal clear explanation, a very detailed explanation for all the subjects of CA final. Now, we strongly believe that knowledge is the driving factor in the corporate world. Knowledge is the driving factor in the corporate world. Knowledge is the king. Now, in order to impart good knowledge, we need to give coaching for more number of hours, so as to facilitate, so as to reach our objective, so as to fulfill our objective. We have requested our faculty to take classes for more number of hours, and we are going to finish our syllabus for within a span of nearly 1,600 hours, which is unmatching in the CA industry. Just before you take admission, please inquire with any other CA coaching centers, and you can find that our number of hours is much more compared to any other CA coaching centers, are much more compared to many other CA coaching centers. And old SSP students can even take coaching for any 3 subjects without making the payment of any constant deposit. And you may reach me at msnmohan2013@gmail.com. I repeat, msnmohan2013@gmail.com. And hostel facility is available at Guntur, both for boys and girls. Due to this pandemic situation, we have enabled we are going to allow the students to make the payment of the hostel fees in multiple installments, as against to the previous tradition of previous policy of making or collecting the hostel fees in the single payment. Thank you very much. And before I conclude, I again request all the students to kindly share this video to your friends whosoever looking for the classes, the coaching classes for CA final and CMA final. One more thing, one more thing. We are going to start CA final study hours and revision examination batches, both physically and in online mode, from November 29, 2021. That is from today. And the first revision examination is going to be from December 8th. And this time we are going to have a separate schedule for CMA final students also. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.